Hello, today we are going to talk about the Xiaomi 12 Lite, a stylish and functional smartphone that perfectly combines performance and affordability. First, let's take a look at its design. The Xiaomi 12 Lite impresses with its ultra-thin body and lightweight, only about 173 grams. The smartphone has an elegant glass back and an aluminum frame, which gives it a premium look and feel. Available in several colors, including black, pink, and blue, you can choose the option according to your taste. Now, let's move on to the display. The device features a 6.55-inch AMOLED screen with a full HD Plus resolution. With a refresh rate of 90 Hz and support for HDR10+, the image on the screen looks incredibly bright and clear, and the colors are rich and vivid. As for the camera, the Xiaomi 12 Lite does not disappoint. The main 64MP camera with AI support provides clear and detailed pictures in any lighting. The kit also includes an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera and a 5MP macro camera for shooting in various modes. The 16MP front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 12 Lite has a Snapdragon 778G processor, which provides excellent performance for everyday tasks and games. In addition, the smartphone supports 5G, which allows you to stay connected at high speed. It is also worth noting the capacious 4250 mAh battery with support for 33W of fast charging. With such a battery, you will not have to worry about the battery running out during the day. In summary, the Xiaomi 12 Lite is a great choice for those looking for a balanced smartphone with a good design, a powerful camera, and decent performance at an affordable price. Don't forget to like if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new reviews.